Do you have outdated functions in your code? Well, as I'm making my app, I realized that I have this function called return model at index, and I don't really need it anymore, and I'm not using it anywhere. So I'm taking that out, but what I'm adding in instead is a lot of setter functions. So setter functions are basically functions that we call to be able to change a value in our app. And so, for example, I'm making this change main value function, and it's going to take in the index that a user is on and the new value. And I accidentally made the new value a string. It's supposed to be an int actually, but all I'm doing is tab model index, and then I'm using the index that's applied as a parameter dot main value is equal to the new value. And after that, I do have to call my save data function, and this is because I'm using CoreData, and so we covered how to make that function in a previous video, but this will make sure that all of my changes are saved properly. After that, I'm just going to repeat this process for every other attribute that my entity has in the CoreData file. So I have a function called change name, I have a function called change increment, I have a function called change reset, and a function called change background color, which uses that extension of BG color that we made previously. And these are part of the logic components that are going to allow me to create the settings page in my app. Happy coding!